Welcome DIKWP aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt drowning in liver disease papers? Like you're trying to assemble a puzzle with pieces scattered across the globe and half are missing? That's the daily grind for researchers. Now, what if I told you there's a digital workbench designed specifically to tame this beast? So what makes this HepatoScholar thing special? First off, it knows its place. It's laser focused on being your research sidekick, not your doctor. No, it won't be diagnosing your Uncle Bob's jaundice or recommending treatments. It's not a clinical trial gatekeeper, nor is it here to replace your brilliant physician or the crucial ethics board. This boundary is huge. It means we can use AI to sift through mountains of data, helping us spot patterns and gaps without stepping into the high-stakes world of medical decision-making. Think of it as your super-powered librarian who understands the complex language of liver science, keeping the human brain in the driver's seat while the AI handles the heavy lifting of organization. It's about accelerating discovery, not replacing judgment. Okay, how does this magic actually happen? It's surprisingly straightforward. You fire up the index.html file, boom, you're in. Pick a scenario, define your role, and then you're guided through dashboards. Think of it like navigating different rooms in a smart lab. One room holds all the raw text corpus, another meticulously lists every piece of evidence ledger, and yet another crafts clear claim cards. The real wizardry is mapping everything onto the DIKWP framework: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. It transforms passive reading into active construction. You build evidence objects, form claims, map these layers, and crucially, identify those nagging research gaps. Plus, it's built for offline work and comes with handy command line tools and even synthetic scenarios to get you started. Everything is structured with JSON schemas, making it easy to export, audit, and share. It's like having a GPS for navigating the dense jungle of liver disease literature. Now let's peek under the hood at the DIKWP medal itself. This isn't just fancy jargon, it's the engine driving clarity. Imagine raw data, study results, patient stats, that's your data layer. Then information emerges, the key questions asked, the specific terms used, the inclusion criteria. Layering up, you get knowledge, understanding the mechanisms, assessing the strength of evidence, seeing how studies connect or contradict each other. Wisdom kicks in when you ask, does this support the next step? Are there biases? Do we need replication? Finally, intent crystallizes into concrete research directions, review frameworks, and actionable plans. This tool doesn't just present information, it actively helps you build and visualize this entire stack, turning abstract concepts into a tangible, navigable structure. It's about moving from reading papers to building knowledge. So, what's the big takeaway? DIKWP HepatoScholar Studio V2 is your turbocharged toolkit for wrestling order out of the chaos of liver disease research. It bridges the gap between raw data and meaningful intent, empowering you to quickly identify what we know, what we don't, and where the next breakthrough might lie. Go check it out on GitHub, play around with it, and let's see how we can push the boundaries of liver disease understanding together.